from Detroit. Actually going to see another college buddy's sister, Laura. And funny enough, my college buddy Chubba, she actually lives in Kamloops right now. And coincidentally, she's flying out to Ontario to visit her sister. So I'm going to surprise her. They have no idea I'm in Ontario. I should be in BC. I'm looking for Chubba! No way! And I was like, it could be! First fire on my trip.
This is how we do in Ontario. Be the change you wish to see in the world, by Grundy. I hereby name this Grundy. Grundy!
I love it. You love it?
Grundy from BC to the East Coast.
Oh my. So here at the cottage, they like to go on night bike rides and they like to light up their bikes.
I'm here for the ride.
So cottage life means that you need to be in a bike gang.
Yeah, we're badass.
Live a cottage life.
Always be in the moment.
Fundamentally, people are good. They really are. People aren't shitty assholes. Time to drink it up and enjoy it.
Don't take anything for granted and love every day.
Do what you want on your agenda.
You should enjoy every moment of your